and feel. With this it is possible to lose 5 kilos in 2 days. Do not abuse it. There is nothing better than having a healthy diet, exercising and having good habits to lose weight and see us and feel as we have always wanted. But in addition to this, there are some specific foods that help us to lose weight more quickly and in a healthy way, as is the fact of the papaya, fruit that has many properties that help us to have a flat belly. Slim and burn fat with this oatmeal and papaya smoothie. Among the properties of the papaya we can emphasize that it helps us to deflate the intestines, to lose belly fat and to reduce the waist. It is a very effective fruit to achieve this. In addition to papaya, oats are very famous when it comes to helping us lose weight and to discard what our body does not need. But in addition to that, it is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which help us burn fat during more time. Plus it has several benefits to our health due to its high protein content, fiber and essential nutrients. Oatmeal and papaya slimming to lose weight. Ingredients: 1. Half a cup of homemade almond milk. 2. Half a cup of organic whole grain gluten-free oats, previously cooked. 3. 1 large papaya cut into squares. 4. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Begin by putting the papaya, oats, almond milk and cinnamon in a blender. 2. You have to beat about 12 seconds until everything is well mixed and you get a homogeneous mixture. 3. Serve in a glass and add ice, or you put the refrigerator and wait, although it is better freshly made. 4. It is recommended to consume cold and in the morning, being fasting. Just wait a few days and start to feel thinner and flatter.